G7 increases economic aid to Ukraine to $39 billion. The group of 7 G7 finance ministers announced increasing the bloc's economic aid to Ukraine to $39 billion and called upon the IMF to deliver a fresh financial package to the country by March to help it deal with the impact of the Russian invasion. The G7 finance ministers and central bank governors deliberated on Ukraine's overall economic condition at a meeting here on the eve of the first anniversary of the Russian aggression. The meeting was virtually joined by Ukrainian Finance Minister Sergei Marchenko. The G7 finance ministers and central bank governors have come to the city for a meeting of the G20 grouping. We urge the IMF and Ukraine to deliver a credible, ambitious, fully financed and appropriately conditioned IMF program by the end of March 2023, the G7 finance ministers said in a statement. For 2023, based on the government of Ukraine's needs, we have increased our commitment of budget and economic support to $39 billion, the statement said. It said the G7, together with the international community, remained strongly committed to addressing Ukraine's urgent short-term financing needs. These significant commitments and their swift disbursement give Ukraine certainty and enable the authorities to safeguard the functioning of government, continue the delivery of basic services, carry out the most critical repairs of damaged infrastructure, and stabilize the economy, it said. The G7 comprises Britain, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, and the United States. The bloc's financial leaders have gathered in India's Bengaluru ahead of a meeting of financial chiefs of the group of 20 nations.